The company announced that it has entered into a securities purchase agreement with an investor for the issuance and sale of an aggregate of 1,436.06 shares of its Series D and E convertible preferred stock, and 1,436.06 shares in a registered direct offering for an aggregate gross proceeds of approximately $2.8 million. The total price offered for these securities will be $2.81 per share. The Series D convertible preferred stock and Series E convertible preferred stock each have a stated value of $1,000 per share, and are convertible into an aggregate of 8,975,430 shares of common stock upon conversion. The Series D convertible preferred stock and Series E convertible preferred stock are each convertible into an aggregate of 8,975,430 shares of common stock upon conversion at a conversion price of 16 cents per share. The closing of the offering is expected to occur on May 4, 2022, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. ALNA Pharmaceuticals, Inc. intends to use the net proceeds from the offering for working capital purposes, which may include repayment of debt.